This clip is of the second day of lunch chorus. Day 1 was dedicated to watching a performance of our song, 7 Feet of Snow, and critiquing what we saw. The students in class were to watch the video and say what the choir did well and also what the choir could have improved on. From that, we devised a list of things that we thought were important to work on in our rehearsals. This rehearsal's objective was to learn how to read the coda in the sheet music and also to get used to speaking the words together.
Snowball. Okay, so what did we notice about following the words in our music?
First of all, I think
those
those
snowballs.
snowballs.
Go ahead.
I think those snowballs are actually crumpled paper.
Yes. Go ahead.
Well, for my part, when I was following, just after you said, it's supposed to snow. It's supposed to snow all night, and then mine says, we're waiting for. We're waiting for nothing. I don't have anything else there. It says we're waiting for dot 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 dot. There's like just notes, and then there's we're waiting. Snow always we like the rest of that. I don't have like what you people.
So it doesn't make sense, right?
No, it doesn't. It's like because I was following all the time. It goes like we're waiting for snow.
Oh wait, no. I think I can explain it. It says DS all coda,
And what does that
which
mean?
means you have to go back to the coda,
Where is that?
which is right. Which
I found it.
I found it. Measure 41.
no, that says DS all coda,
So we have to go to the sign
which
first.
means you have to go to
You have to look for this.
I know the sign code.
Draw on our heads.
I measure 41. Sign code.
I can't read that.
which means it's
Oh,
this,
I found it. I found it.
it's this
Where is
sign.
it?
Measure
20.
12. Whoa. What's it called?
Yeah,
I see it. I see it.
On page 3.
I don't have 12. I measured 13. Oh, I see it now.
Okay.
What?
And then what do we do? So we're reading through that. Then
And
what?
then you go up to the thing that says to coda,
Oh, I see it.
and then
And
you
that
go
looks
to that
like-
coda that's right here.
And where is that? What page?
41. Well,
What
measure
page?
41.
Exactly.
6, page 6.
To engage their need to know how to read the coda, I asked them to read their sheet music while watching and listening to the recording of the performance that they saw the first class. This is also to allow for the new members a chance to catch up. We talked through how to follow the music and how each student offered their knowledge while I wrote a rough map of what they were saying on the board. From that, we decided to circle up and I asked them to dramatically read, with the intent of later on rapping, the words to the song so that I could formatively assess whether each student was able to follow the music from beginning to end.
Alright, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to start,
I'm gonna
and
rap it.
to practice our glee.
Oh.
Oh
my
My mom and sisters are geeks.
Me too. Okay.
My mom- my mom
This
is
is-
very What's that mean?
Maybe somebody that has me in general music can explain that to you. What does this mean?
Quiet.
Good. Okay. So, what we're going to do is to practice our energy and enthusiasm on stage is we're going to dramatically read this. Okay? So I will start and then I will point. So be ready because it might be you next.
We're gonna wrap it?
We're going to read through it and then we're going to kind of wrap the quick parts so we get done.
Oh, wait.
Because what did we talk about?
How'd you do that?
What did we talk about when we watched this the first day? We said that we couldn't understand their words, right? So we have to be very spot on and use good, what's that word we said? Diction. Diction.
Yeah, I couldn't tell the difference in that. I can't tell it now because of the words, but I couldn't tell the difference between hoping and praying.
Yeah, so we have to use good diction so that the audience understands what we're saying or else the song's not really going to mean much, right?
Yeah. I just beat.
Not yet.
Oh,
ahead. Go ahead. As enthusiastic as possible.
Hoping school will let out early. That's what the weather man said.
Okay, let's see if we can add more enthusiasm to that. Go ahead.
We're waiting for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 feet of snow.
Good. And what else are we doing?
We're hoping for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 feet of snow.
And VJ, what are we doing?
We're praying for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 feet of snow.
Okay, and all of us? Cause when it snows, we're all aglow. Can't wait to go outside and throw a bunch of snow. Okay, let's try that again in rhythm. Ready? So it should sound like this. Not yet. It should sound, cause when it snows, we're all aglow. Can't wait to go outside and throw a bunch of snow. Let's try that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cause when it snows, we're all aglow. Can't wait to go outside and throw a bunch of snow. Okay, so let's keep it up.
You could accidentally hit her. It's
Yes.
not.
All right.
Stop playing.
So let's go with Adam. Go ahead.
What's that I see outside the window?
Window? What?
What's window here?
No, I'm doing the other part.
What?
I'm doing the other part. You said, what's that I see outside the window? And I said, window?
Oh.
Get
Okay.
it? All right? So go
Yeah.
ahead, try that again.
What's that I see outside the window?
Window? And then you go,
Don't think we'll have school
tomorrow.
Duh.
big snowy flakes,
Big snowy flakes, frosty white.
frosty white. And let's try somebody new. Go ahead.
Oh, I heard one.
Oh, go ahead, Ron.
Tomorrow.
Oh.
Don't think we'll.
That might change.
Yeah.
Tomorrow it's supposed to snow all night.
All night.
First of all, it's don't think we're gonna have
Yes,
school tomorrow.
it's don't think we'll have school tomorrow. Tomorrow. It's supposed to snow all night. And then what do we do? Okay, let's talk through this. So we're on page 6. Where do we have to go?
That's page 6.
Back to page 3, but keep your finger by page 6 so you can get back there quickly. And then together we're gonna say the chorus. We're waiting for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 feet of snow. We're hoping for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 feet of snow. We're praying for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 feet of snow. Cause when it goes back to page 6, cause when it's slowly, ready? Slowly? Cause when it snows, we always know we need a toe out of the snow, a lot of dough. When it blows, it's quite a show. Yes, even though it's 10 below, we're aglow. Can't wait to go outside and throw a bunch of snow. 7 feet of snow, yo. After our dramatic reading, the class broke up into small groups and rapped parts of the song. I did this because they kept asking to do more popular stuff, and I also saw it as a creative way to get them listening to the words multiple times, as memorizing the words seemed difficult in the initial critique from day 1. We ended class watching these performances.